One single research paper back in 2018 completely flipped the future of AI.
It's called Attention is All You Need, and man, it sparked a total revolution.
See, before this big breakthrough, older AI processed language strictly in sequence.
It literally had to read sentences just one single word at a time, which obviously made it incredibly slow.
These older setups, called recurrent neural networks, had a huge bottleneck.
They literally forget context in sentences that were longer than, say, 30 to 50 words.
Then the transformer architecture hit the scene, crushing that bottleneck by processing everything in parallel.
So now every single word gets analyzed at the exact same time. It's crazy fast.
But wait, if it doesn't read in order, how does it even understand the sentence?
Well, the secret weapon is this brilliant mechanism called attention.
Attention, maps, context everywhere, all at once. Take this super relatable example right here.
It actually helps the AI instantly link the word it straight back to animal. By using positional encoding and multi-headed attention, it totally bypasses those slow sequential loops.
And that massive jump in parallel speed and context mapping, it literally changed the world.
Modern tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and image generators, they exist purely because of transformers.
They start as a base model, then level up through fine-tuning and human feedback.
Now, this one single architecture absolutely dominates complex tasks, from writing essays to coding.
So yeah, one 2018 paper really did spark the entire generative AI revolution. Wild, right?
Definitely save this explainer to crush your next tech interview.
So, what big AI concept should we break down next? Drop a comment.